Yo, what's going on, guys? Michael here from MP Fitness. Thank you for checking out the newest video to our channel. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe down below and enjoy the next video.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for checking out the newest video. So today we are shooting the first episode of our how-to series. So this is kind of like a spoof, so it's kind of like a joke, but yeah, we're just gonna have some fun with it. So today's video is on how to use a shaker bottle. So step number one is you gotta pick out a cool shaker bottle, right? You don't want the same clear bottle with a black lid or a pink lid, whatever it may be, right? Go find yourself a cool shaker bottle. I got this from GNC Ghost. It's pretty awesome. It looks pretty clean. So we have a cool shaker bottle, right? Gonna have you open it up. Step two is to find the right kind of liquid. And I'm not talking about water, milk, almond milk, anything else. All right, you want something fun and enjoyable. All right. So I've been using this Glacier Cherry Gatorade. All right. Now the next big step is the appropriate amount of fluid. So I've seen people use too much, too less. They even add the powder first. I mean, what kind of barbarians add powder before they add the liquid to it, right? So I like between 12 to 16 ounces of fluid. So right there, right at, looks like 13 and a half ounces. So perfect. All right, so step number two, you want the right kind of powder, protein powder, right? You can go vanilla, chocolate, get crazy, cookies and cream, whatever it may be. I'm gonna keep this simple. So I started using this kind of Gatorade with chocolate protein. All right, now the secret, so you're gonna use about 30 grams of chocolate protein to this Gatorade. I know it sounds pretty nasty, but it's going to taste just like a cherry Tootsie Pop. So we're gonna add the powder to the liquid. That way none of it's gonna clump up at the bottom. It's my biggest pet peeve is clumped up protein or pre-workout at the bottom of the shaker. So we're gonna shake it up. Make sure we have everything set. All right, now all I have to do is sit back and enjoy. And it tastes just like a cherry Tootsie Pop. Fantastic way to end your workout. Thank you guys so much for watching this past video. Stay tuned for some more how-to videos coming up soon.